So welcome students to my channel once again. In this video, I have brought this sum for you all. So using the first principle, find the derivative of x to the power 28, okay? Using the first principle, find the derivative of x to the power 28. So I am starting the sum, watch it carefully. Let y is equal to f of x is equal to x to the power 28. Okay. So therefore f of x plus h will be x plus h to the power 28, right? Now using the first principle, the derivative of y, is equal to f of x with respect to x at point x is given by, okay, dy by dx is equal to limit h tends to 0 f of x plus h minus f of x by h, okay. So it will be limit h tends to 0, f of x plus h is x plus h to the power 28, x plus h to the power 28 minus x to the power 28, okay. Fx is x to the power 28 by h, okay. So now watch till here, okay, clear. So now let x plus h is equal to z, okay. Let x plus h is equal to z, okay. When h tends to 0, when h tends to 0, x tends to z, right? So therefore dy by dx is equal to limit h tends to 0 x plus h to the power 28 minus x to the power 28 by h is equal to limit x tends to z, x plus h is z, okay. So z to the power 28 minus x to the power 28, x plus h is z, so h will be z minus x, okay, clear. So this is equal to limit x tends to z, okay, minus x to the power 28 minus z to the power 28, okay, minus x minus z, okay, clear. Minus minus will cancel, okay. So is equal to limit x tends to z, okay, x to the power 28 minus x to the power 28 minus z to the power 28, okay, by x minus z, okay. So it will be 28 x to the power 28 minus 1. So it will be 28x to the power 27. Okay, and this is the answer. Clear? Thanks for watching.